Hi, beautiful Nano Hubbies. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Oh, God, it's really been a while. It's really been a while. This year, I planned on being consistent, but as you guys know, I just had a baby and we're growing, shall we're 4 months today. Yes, we are growing. She's having a sleep. I went to do school run and she was in the boogie and I came in with the car seat. You know, it's so cozy, the car seat is so cozy, the shape and all. So she's still having sleep. And I started to talk to you guys. So guys, a lot has been happening, not a lot that is bad. A lot that is good has been happening with experience, life with experience. Mom of three, we're growing. Chistel is growing. Obina is growing, and the new baby as well, is growing. So what can I say? I'm just grateful to God for my family, for my husband, for giving me such a husband that helps me out. Because trust me, it's if you don't have one that helps you out in the house, I just wonder how you can actually achieve whatever you're achieving. So my husband has been very helpful. Just trust me when I say has been very helpful. Yes. Okay, guys. So today I don't know. I've been when no, I think when I had Chizitelo was when I started having acne issue thing. I don't know if I get picture of when I had when I was pregnant of Chizitelo. I just put it here so how you guys will see how bad my face was. But when I was pregnant with Obina, I didn't have bad face as such. No, I didn't. No, I think when I was pregnant with Obina, I started developing skin tag. I don't know. I did some research and they say it can come through pregnancy as well. Then when I had someone and so there is it. So there is this skincare I want to show you guys. I've been hearing about it. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. Annual something. No, this is not annual. Annual is still on the way. This is just some skincare product that I just ordered. I've heard a lot about Beauty of Jason. It says PF 50 plus PA plus probiotic. Rice plus probiotic. So this is it, guys. It's an XPF. Yes, so this is it. I've not started using it. Yes, I've not started using it. It's actually an expensive SPF, but trust me, I got it at a good deal. I think they were having their sales, their mid sales. I don't know. I wasn't tracking them, but on that Fed Food, I bumped into them and they were having their sales. So the price was quite affordable because of the sales. Okay. So I got this and I got this Real Barrier Extreme Essence toner. So this is 2 in 1. This is a toner and this is also a clean. No, this is also a toner and this is also essence. I don't know, most of you guys in skincare routine, essence is quite necessary because according to the skin care gurus, they said after the essence you can apply your treatment serum, then vitamin C serum or any other serum you have, then moisturizer, then SPF. According to them, they said this essence actually helps the serum and the treatment serum that you're putting on to actually settle in on your face. Sorry guys if I'm pronouncing some things very weird because of my braces, and yesterday last week I had a braces appointment again, so they kind of restructured the wires again, and sometimes it gets me gibbering. So I don't know what I was saying, that essence actually helps your product to kind of settle in. So the skincare routine they say is after you have or you cleansed your face, then you wash your face with your normal cleanser, then you apply your toner, then your essence, then your treatment serum, then your any other serum that you want to apply, maybe your oil serum or hyaluronic acid, the ones that helps your face keep moisture, then moisturizer, then your SPF. But this particular toner is 2 in 1, like essence plus toner. So when you're using this, your skincare routine, you don't use essence anymore because this already has it 2 in 1. So after washing your face, you just use this straight and then other treatment and your normal cleanser. That is it. So I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. So this is it here. This is a 200 ml. From the inside I can see it's not a clear water kind of thing. I think It's kind of white. Okay, yeah, they said rice. I don't know. Skin barrier function formula for dry and sensitive skin. Strengthens weakened skin barrier with, yeah. According to the skincare guru, they said if the skin barrier on your face is weak, most times if you use any product you use, it can never work. Most times you're using different products and you're complaining that you're not seeing any result. That is because your skin barrier is weak. So if you're using a toner or a cleanser or a face wash that the skin barrier is good, maybe it has rice probiotic or mostly rice or something, because rice, they say rice is very good on the face because it increases your skin barrier, and when your skin barrier is increased, it helps your products to work. That's when you say that everybody's testifying that this spot removing cleanser or this spot removing serum is working for them, and you're complaining that it's not working for you. Probably your skin barrier is weak. So this particular toner extreme essence also strengthens your weakened skin barrier to help your products to work. You know, some of us, our skin barrier is weak already because we've been using different types of chemicals on our face, and it tends to weaken our skin barrier. So when I purchased this product, also I got it on sales. Yes, I got this on sales as well. Together with this product, I got the both of them on sales because they were having a very good sale that day. I just went online to get something for Chisitelo that she needs for school, and I bumped into them, and they were having a very good sale, and I decided to get it. And this is kind of what they put for me. They want me to try this. How many ml is this? This is quite very little. It's going to expire 2026 November 9th. It's Dear Hydration is the name of the product. Vanilla Co. Water barrier. I just explained about barrier now. So this is water barrier cream. Ceramide strengthens skin barrier. I just told you guys now. Moisture replenishes. So which means this is just a small product, like a gift they put inside. Maybe I try it out. If it's something I like, I can purchase it. But I think from the sound of it, I'm already liking it. The name of this product is DLY, Dear Hydration. Dear Hydration. I use the water barrier cream. That is what's inside this product. It has ceramide. Then it strengthens the skin barrier, which I just explained with this very essence here. It strengthens the skin barrier and also moisture replenishes. So if I have this product now, what I'll just do is after washing my face, I use my normal face wash to wash my face. Then I'm gonna use this extreme essence toner. After then, I'm gonna use this hydration ceramide skin barrier cream. I'm gonna use it after then, or I'm gonna use it after I have applied my serums and vitamin C, spot removing serums and all. Maybe I'm gonna use this and lock it. Then when it dries, I use my moisturizer, then my SPF. Yes, actually I'm gonna use this and be locking it up. Dehydration moisturizing barrier cream that improves skin barrier with pink cacao. So I think this is actually a moisturizer. Of course, guys, have you guys noticed that skincare from Korea products just went viral this season? Like from last year to this year, I think every product I've been hearing, if I check the production state or whatever, is from Korea. Even this annual I've been hearing Korea, even this real barrier Korea, even beauty of Jason Korea, even what is it called, good molecules Korea. I think this is Korea season. Even most of them, if you see most of those skincare products, their main head office or whatever is in US, but if you check the production is in Korea. So I think Korea people are rocking it now with skin product, maybe because of how good their face is, and I don't know. So this is actually a moisturizer, because from what I read here, I said this is moisturizing barrier cream that improves skin barrier with, you know, so it's a moisturizer. So it means when I finish rubbing all those things I'm rubbing, I just rub this, then SPF, water barrier cream, moisture replenishes. So it's a moisturizer. Yeah. So inside this place, they gave me all this. No, I think I got this to be able to get free shipping, because when I got these two at the sales price, I didn't get to a particular amount that I would get a free shipping. And I think after I had gotten these two, I had just about 23. you know, 23. I had just about, no, I had just about $6 or $5 to be able to get this delivery for free. So I said, if I get this $5 in addition to this, and I get this free delivery, it's making sense. Do you get? So that was actually why I purchased this. This is actually a Hydro Vital Sheet Mask. Let me even check the expiring date, because I'm not even so much fan of this. You see, this is also made in Korea. I told you guys there's something with skincare and Korea this period. This is when is okay, this is where they wrote the expiring date. It's going to expire 2026. Okay, still very far. It's going to expire 2026 April. 26th of April 2026. So I have time to use it, because I'm not really a hydro sheet mask person. And I got all these little things inside. Chestnut, clear essence. So many skincare this period. This is E3 mild exfoliant with AHA, normal skin and dry skin, smoothens dull skin. So this is actually a clear essence. So you can use this after your toner. This is daily go-to sunscreen. This is sunscreen. I don't even need it, but I don't need the product. This is a deep sea pure water cream. Essential oil free, 60% deep sea water, 2% niacinamide, deep hydration, refreshing water cream, nourishing marine ingredients, blah 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 blah. So many skincare products. Now I'm very sure it's from Korea, because I can see a Korea scriptly. Yeah, made in Korea. This is made in Korea as well. This is Sisa Clearing BB Cream. 21 light beige. Healthy looking glow, flawless coverage. And this is Hydro LPP treatment, professional salon hair care. This is for your hair, for dry and damaged hair. For dry and damaged hair, low molecule, blah 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 blah. This is made in Korea. So see this, guys. One thing with Korea products this time, the Korean people are really waxing this time. This is their season. So that, guys, this is all that is inside this place. I got it for a very good deal, and I've been trying this good molecule skincare for a while now. It has actually helps remove some stubborn not, it doesn't remove it entirely, but you can see a very big significant change in it. I heard that if you're starting a new skincare, maybe from a product from one company that has oil cleansing, facial wash, toner, moisturizer, SPF, you know, just from one particular brand, I heard that you use it for 3 months before you can ascertain if the product is bad or if the product is working for you or not. But who has that patience? And some people said that at least 30 days, you know, and some company will tell you 2 weeks. Well, skin differs from skin. Some people's skin is very soft. Anything put on their face, it will just work for them. Why some people's skin is very hard. It needs extensive time, like maybe about 3 months or 2 months, for you to see a significant change as well. So guys, that is it. That is just it. Summer is round the corner. Soon the children are going to go on summer holiday, and it's going to be a full house morning and till afternoon and night. But I've planned actually on having summer activities for them, so I don't actually feel that we have been at home all the time. So I plan on having summer activity kind of thing. Maybe just have a timetable when they start their holiday. I'm just gonna make a timetable. They were gonna go out. We're gonna be at home. I'll just try as much as possible the 5 days in a week for us to be out. Maybe like 3 days or 4 days in a week for us to be out and not just kind of stay in the house all the time. You know, get them go outside and use their energy and play and things like that. I won't talk about meeting people. They don't meet people here. Just go play and go back to your house. So that is it, guys. This is just me giving you updates, what and what. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can share it as well. Can recommend my videos to other people. I have so many lovely videos on this channel. Also, I think in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys, because I think maybe it's about to wake up. So my next video I'm going to be showing you guys things I got. I'm an Igbo girl from Nigeria, so there are some things I would like to share with you guys that I'm using We're using at home, okay, for my daughter and my, for my children anyways, for them to just know that this is it. And I have an Igbo channel where I teach Igbo language, Igbo no, where I teach Igbo language. And I really need to write a note on that channel. I want to do a video on that channel that looks as if I'm talking to my daughter, but at the same time, she following me up to learn. I don't know. It's kind of gonna be a personal video. I don't know if I should post it after doing it, or maybe I should just put it in private and she can just go there and be watching it. Or maybe I just make it unlisted and just give her this link to be watching it alone. Do you understand? I don't know. I'm still thinking of how to do that video, but first of all, I have to make a note on that video. I have to make it an Igbo channel, so I have to make a note on it. That's when you just listen to that video, you already start speaking Igbo. I need direction of God on that channel. I don't know. When did I even start YouTube channel? I started YouTube channel during pandemic, right? 2020, I had my daughter. My mom was here. I think I started YouTube channel that period. And I think the channel started growing well in subscribers just about last year, December. It just skyrocketed. I still having subscribers and all. But guys, I need views more than subscribers, because trust me, subscribers does not give you money. What gives you money is your views that gives you money. Okay? But never say never. Most of the big YouTubers tell you consistency is the key. Just keep doing your thing. It's gonna favor you one day. Your video is gonna go viral. Well, I'm doing my thing. That is why I keep saying content creation is just about loving what you're doing, because sometimes if you're just looking at the views and all, you might not be doing it, okay? But I just love, in addition, this thing I'm doing, because it's kind of keeping memories. My children are growing, I'm getting old, my husband is getting old, so it's just like so many videos to look behind to and see how you guys were. Something I have to inculcate in these my videos is putting Chizitelo and Obinamo in my videos, because they're gonna grow too. So I want them to have that experience of me and them in video, and they could see how they wear before and what size they wear. So I want to put in them in videos here and there when they're around as well. Yeah, I think I started it about 3 months ago. Just, normal house vlog or something like that. Okay guys, so that's just it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably see you guys in my next video. To have a lovely day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.